Hi, welcome to Scott Family TV. Tonight we're gonna have some chicken and rice. Right now, I have three chicken breasts that I put some my seasoning on it. You can use your own seasoning and season your chicken. And I'm gonna let it boil for maybe an hour and a half, and then I'm gonna take it out before you get. Then I'm gonna add the vegetable to it and then rice to it. It's a simple, easy chicken and rice recipe, and we'll be back with the finished product in a minute. Alright, welcome back. As you can see, the chicken is almost done. I'm going to take it out because I'm going to strip it down when I make the chicken and rice. But I got to let it cool down. Let's take it out. Yes, it's almost falling apart. That's where you want it. Now what I'm going to do now to this, while the chicken cooling down, I'm going to add my vegetable to this mixture right here. And all we got is peppers and onions. You don't want the peppers and onion to be too hard in the rice, so we're going to let this boil down. And we'll be back when we done shred the chicken down and add the rice and everything to this. Yes, we got the chicken. We're going to use 2 forks. We're not going to wait till it's cooled down. We're going to use 2 forks to pull it apart. All you want to do, you don't want to have chunky chicken in the rice, so you want to try to just pull them apart as much as you can. Shred it. Shred it real good. Get all the chunky parts out of it. Chicken smells amazing.
Yes, it does.
As usual.
And you can use whatever part of the chicken you have. We just had some breast of chicken left, so we used
those. So you can use whatever part you desire for you and your family, or for you to eat.
Yeah.
Let's pull it apart. Alright, welcome back. The vegetables has cooked down the way we like it, and right now what we're gonna do is gonna add in the shredded chicken to this. Yeah, we're gonna get it all in there. Like I said, you use any part of the chicken if you use the chicken with the bone in it, you're gonna have to spend time of once the chicken is nice and tender, is to take the bone out. Of it. So like I said, we used some chicken breast we had and got the chicken in there. And what I'm gonna do is now is I'm gonna put the rice in there.
About how much rice you have right there?
I have but a cup and a half of rice in here. And we're just going to add it in there. We're going to get this all mixed up together. And I'm using chicken broth. But you could use water if you don't want to use the chicken broth. I like the flavor the chicken broth gives. So that's why, and right now what I'm going to do, I need some more liquid. So I'm going to add some more chicken broth to bring the rice need to come up to a boiling temperature. So we're going to add some more chicken broth so the rice can do that. I'm going to increase the temperature a little bit. Let's see how this looks now. And that should be enough right there for the rice to start boiling, and we'll add the chicken broth as needed if we need any more as the rice starts boiling down. And we'll be back with the finished product in about 25 minutes. Thanks. Hi, welcome back. This is our finished product of the chicken and rice. We're going to have it with chicken and rice and the little green beans on the side. I'm about to taste it and let you guys know how this tastes. Absolutely awesome. You guys must try this recipe. It's quite simple. Like I said, it's chicken. Let it boil, and then you shred the chicken. Then you add your vegetables. Let that boil down. And then you add all the ingredients together, the chicken and the rice. And just let it cook until the rice is steamed down. And this is an awesome meal. I mean, Lord, I was happy then. My God, yes, thank you, Lord. Thank you guys for watching Scotch Family TV. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and help us get to that 1,000 subscribers this month. And y'all have a blessed night. Thanks.